Hello, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the brand new 2020 Haiboxing Rampage, the 18859, the 1/18th scale. Let's take a look on the box here, what we got. It's ready to run, 4-wheel drive, 2.4 gigahertz, qualified shocks, adjustable ring, ball bearings, brushed motor, standard, gear diff, transmission, splash, waterproof electronics. Open it up. Take it out of the box. See what we got here. We got the instruction manual. We got the stickers. Truck here. There's a look at the truck. Nice blue and black body. Get out. Just take the body pins out. Nice body pins. They're easy to grasp. Really nice body. I like the color. Put it to the side. Let's look what we got here. We got the electronic speed controller, the brushed motor. We got the LED lights pre-installed. We got the battery. Comes with 2 batteries. One's already in the truck. And we got the shocks. Seems like they're pretty decent. They upgraded the rims and tires on the 2020 Rampage. It's very cool. Put that to the side. Radio out. There's the radio. It's got the slow and normal mode, and the steering and reverse, and the off and on button. That's your steering trim. That's left and right. Let's see what else we got in the box. In the bag we got the charger, the USB charger that it comes with. We got another battery. It's a 7.4 volt, 850 milliamp LiPo. And we got extra body clips, which are always handy. Well, it looks like a great truck, and my next video will be of the test run. Alright, thank you for watching.